Ben and Roxy here, welcome back to the So Vegan Kitchen. So we recently asked you guys to tell us the recipes you want to see most in these videos, and the resounding winner was...
So do a drum roll.
Quick and healthy food.
Quick and healthy food. So we are doing a series of videos bringing you the speediest and healthiest and most delicious recipes. And we're starting the series today by creating a speedy noodle soup.
And what doesn't it contain?
It contains no oil.
No oil.
And it's banging with flavor. We're throwing in all these amazing veggies, shiitake mushrooms for that umami flavor and that little bite. Also, we have got pak choi and udon noodles. But again, you can literally mix this up and add whatever veggies you want, whatever you've got in your fridge left over.
Throw in any noodles you want as well.
Any noodles, whole wheat, normal, whatever. And then we've got veg stock to bring it all together. Before we get going, when you were a kid, did you ever eat that pack of instant noodles?
All the time.
So delicious. But they're so high in calorie. They're literally like 500 calories.
Really?
Just for a pack of noodles, and then literally an hour later I'm hungry again. But they're so delicious. But this is a healthy twist on that, without the oil, with loads of veggies, and just super easy to make. And I really enjoy this. I literally feel like I'm a kid again eating my super noodles. Every time we make it, I'm like, give me my instant noodles, give me my instant noodles, give me my instant noodles. Like that. Should we get going then, because I'm hungry.
Grab your mushrooms and start slicing them up about 1/2 centimetre thick. If you can't find shiitakes like this, you can use any mushrooms you want. So like we said, this is a super healthy, oil-free recipe. So instead of using oil, we're gonna simmer the mushrooms in some veg stock, which we're also gonna use later in the recipe. Add a splash of the veg stock to the pan, throw your mushrooms in, and simmer them down for about 15 minutes on a medium heat. So guys, don't panic if the mushroom starts sticking to the bottom of the pan. Just add a little splash of veg stock as you go.
And now we're gonna get the noodles on. So cook the noodles as per the packet instructions, then drain them, leave them to one side, and we're gonna pop them in the soup later on. Mushrooms are on, noodles are on, so now we're gonna use this time to prep the rest of our veg. It's just a case of chopping things up, and then that's pretty much all the hard work done. So we're gonna start by dicing up a couple of garlic cloves. Peel and dice a thumb of ginger. Seriously guys, a spoon is so good for peeling ginger. Gets right in there like funny edges. Then we're gonna chop up about 1/2 carrot into matchsticks. Thinly slice some red cabbage. Just gonna quickly slice up the spring onion, doing it at a diagonal, kind of like the way that looks. And this one's optional, but we love a bit of heat, so we're gonna quickly slice up a red chilli. And look at all these seeds. We're gonna keep these in because we love that kick.
So that is all the prep done. Thank you, Roxy.
Yeah, I know. What have
doing all the hard work.
Like literally, what have you been doing? Have you been on your phone again? Classic.
Also, this mushroom is pretty much done. It's been simmering for about 15 minutes. They're lovely and soft. So we're gonna take these out of the pan and we're gonna start building our noodle soup.
I absolutely love this recipe. It's so vibrant and light, and it's perfect for these summer, warmer months when you want to eat something a little bit lighter and healthier. And it's got some amazing ingredients in here. It's got miso paste. We're also using the shiitake mushrooms. It's going to be full of flavor and depth. And pak choi, full of vitamin C and vitamin E and beta carotene. This is just packed with nutrition and flavor. It's absolutely amazing.
So it is soup building time.
This is my favorite kind of time.
First thing we're gonna add is the remainder of this veg stock, and we're gonna throw in this perfectly chopped ginger and garlic and get it simmering for about 3 minutes on a medium heat.
Let's go.
So we brought the broth to a boil and it's been simmering for about 2 or 3 minutes. So that garlic and that ginger is infused with that veg stock, and now we're gonna go in with the rest of the ingredients. So we're gonna add some apple cider vinegar, maple syrup, and some miso paste. You guys can use any miso paste you want, but try and find an unpasteurized version, which is gonna deliver so much more flavor. So give it a stir and make sure that miso paste is completely dissolved into that broth, and let it simmer for another 3 minutes. Guys, we're nearly there. This room is smelling incredible. So much flavor going on. So next up, we're gonna slice this pak choi in half.
It's usually a good idea to give the pak choi a quick rinse just to get rid of any dirt that might be hiding and any of the leaves.
Add it to the broth. It only needs a couple of minutes. Then we're gonna throw the mushrooms in and we're pretty much ready to plate up.
Get all those juicy mushrooms straight in there. So this is the best bit. We're gonna start building our bowls, and we're gonna start by putting half of the noodles into each bowl.
Then pour the mushroom broth on top. Add the pak choi.
Now we're going to decorate with our sliced veg. We're going in with carrots first, spring onion, red cabbage, and a few bean sprouts.
If you like it hot, top with a few slices of red chilli. And we love to add a sprinkle of sesame seeds.
Just finishing off with a little touch, small handful of coriander, extra flavour, extra freshness, why not? There you go guys, quick and healthy, you asked for it and we have delivered. This literally takes me back to being a child and eating those instant super noodles that, to be honest, are not healthy at all. But this is our take, no oil, full of vibrant veggies and really, really light, absolutely incredible.
Speedy noodle soup, it'll take you less than 30 minutes and it's got all those amazing Asian flavors like the miso, the shiitake mushrooms. Guys, don't forget, if you try this at home, make sure you tag us in the photos because we love seeing your recreations at home. All right, my belly is rumbling. Can we get stuck in?
Yeah, this is looking gorgeous, those colors. Whoever said eat the rainbow?
Yeah.
You're going straight in with the chopsticks?
I am.
Wow, that was so nice. That maple syrup and the apple cider vinegar really balance it out so perfectly.
And you get that little sweetness from the maple syrup as well.
I think this is perfect for, say your friends are coming around for dinner, you want to cook something light, refreshing, you don't want anything too heavy for dinner. This is perfect. Also, I think for kids, it's going to be really fun and they can literally build their own bowls as well, which is quite exciting.
And I don't think we eat enough raw vegetables sometimes.
I was thinking that.
Constantly cooking vegetables. This is just another excuse to add raw veggies to it.
Also, we mentioned our Instagram channel earlier, so make sure you head over there. And if you're not following us, you can follow us at SoVegan and we will see you there. Thanks so much for watching. Oh, I can't talk, just want to eat. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe and search through the playlist and check out all the other amazing videos we have got.
We'll see you next time.
See ya. Right, get this in my belly.